Just put together our backpacking meals for our backpacking trip. And this one's a ramen. I have like a brown rice Malay ramen noodle, and I added powdered mushroom, ginger, garlic, salt, sesame seeds, peanuts, and an assortment of dried vegetables and seaweed. And then this is like a Tuscan quinoa orzo. It's got quinoa, orzo, same blend of vegetables, which makes this really economical. I've got Greek seasoning, rosemary, thyme, fennel, and some flax seeds because you need to make sure you get lots of calories. And flax seeds are full of calories and light and healthy. And then this is two breakfasts, so I'm having a hard time shaking it up, but it's old-fashioned oats, dried fruit, goji berries, nuts, seeds, hemp seeds, and shaved coconut. Oh, and cinnamon, and a little bit of coconut sugar.